Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show that how to download and install PyCharm text editor. So first of all, open your Chrome browser. Then you have to search PyCharm. So my friends, PyCharm the Python. Then left corner, click on download. My friends, PyCharm Professional, download now. And my friends, my PyCharm is download. Then I'm already download my PyCharm. Then I have to close and go to download. So my friends, PyCharm, right button, run as administrator. Click now. Then current version is, then yes, then next. Then you have to click on next and click on install now. Your PyCharm is installed. Then I have to already install my PyCharm. Then close, yes. Then click on PyCharm. So my friends, my PyCharm. See my friends. So friends, after watching this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notification. Till then, take care. Bye bye.